Do you ever feel like a sound that Eli makes? You can't make that sound. Can Eli make the sound?
What are you talking about?
The sound that you made at the very end of like the first PUBG video.
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
Oh god.
That thing, what the hell? What is that supposed to be?
I call it Eli's bird mode.
I don't know.
Eli can be a pigeon.
Yeah, it's great, and I can be a guy who can dig really fast.
Ah. Oh,
Yeah.
that's what you call the sound?
No,
you made?
it just I think I invented it by saying dig really quickly, but not really. It just I made a sound and it sounded a lot like the word dig.
But it sounds like.
I can't do anything interesting.
I was gonna say something, and Alex can't do anything interesting, but Alex can just turn to Big Shack.
Well, no, but I can. No, but also like I can.
Shack.
Yeah, you could sound like a dripping faucet.
I can do. Oh, I pressed the
But
wrong
from a
button.
cartoon.
I can do that, and I can also do this thing. Hold on. Look what. Shh.
Okay. Okay.
So I can make sounds that can come out of your sink, but not out of shells.
Hey guys!
Oh my god, are you dying?
Oh yeah, I can do that.
Oh yeah, I forgot about that.
That's not hard to do though.
I don't know how to do it.
Oh, I just spit everywhere. Oh, jeez. So much saliva just came out.
Oh my god.
Dude, the amount of fucking spit just. I don't know if it's easier to hit racks now, because now I don't have to aim at them. I just have to trust the chance that a fucking straight bullet will.
Oh my god,
Whoa,
shut
that
up.
was cool. That was cool.
This is a super badass
How are you
rack,
making
died.
that sound?
I like squish air into my cheek and then vibrate my finger and like push it out.
Oh, dude, that's like innovative.
Whoa!
It's scary sounding.
When you make it sound like real crisp, it's hilarious.
It's the noise the gun loader makes, everybody. Hey guys! Nickel, sulfur, something else.
I want to do let's plays and I want to do let's plays and introduce every video by saying, well, hey guys, welcome back to another Minecraft let's play. Today we're gonna be playing Borderlands 2.
I don't know, I think I want to just take this clip of us making a bunch of random noises and upload it to YouTube.